Looking for a remote that gives you total control over your Sena Bluetooth communication gear without fumbling around? The RC3 remote offers just that, with 3 easy installation options and a simple 3-button design. Whether clipped on your right sleeve or mounted on your motorcycle, it puts control right at your fingertips while you ride. What makes the RC3 stand out is its versatility. You can clip it directly onto your jacket sleeve for quick access, or attach it securely to your bike using either the adhesive mount or the loop and fastener mount. This flexibility means you can choose the setup that fits your riding style best, so you never have to reach for your helmet to manage calls, intercom, or music. Battery life is another highlight. With about 5 months of power on a single charge, the RC3 keeps working long after other remotes give up. That means fewer interruptions and more focus on the ride. No more scrambling to find your helmet just to change a song or answer a call. Riders across the United States praise the RC3 for its quality and ease of use. Many note it's a big upgrade from the clip-on handlebar remotes, especially for those who prefer mounting it on their jacket. One user shared how attaching it to the clutch reservoir cover made it super easy to reach, adding to the convenience during rides. If you want a remote that's reliable, intuitive, and built to last, the RC3 is worth a look. It works exactly as promised, combining smart design with practical features that make every ride smoother. Whether you're commuting or hitting the open road, this remote keeps you connected without distraction. Ready to take full control of your Sena Bluetooth gear? The RC3 remote offers the perfect blend of flexibility and battery life to keep you connected on every ride. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your riding experience and enjoy hands-free communication like never before.